have a phone. If I take this phone and put it on my iPhone.
Think about it.
Hey there techheads, welcome back to the channel. Now if this is your first time here, please make sure to hit that red subscribe button down below, as it goes a long way in helping the growth of the channel. Now today we're going to be addressing the rumors about the iPhone 12 shipping without a charger. Now, how does that sound to you? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, and without further ado, let's go. Historically, iPhones and smartphones in general have always shipped with most of the accessories you'd need: a charger, earphones, and the occasional case. Apple was the first company, however, to start taking accessories out of the box, following the removal of the headphone jack. They began shipping phones without a headphone jack and without the lightning to headphone jack dongle as well. Now we've got rumors that they plan on removing yet another accessory from the box, and this time a much more vital one: the charger. Now, based on the reactions of people online, we could basically group this into two categories. The first category of people who are like, oh, Apple always creating a problem so they can tell you the solution. It's classic them, blah, 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 blah. I expected nothing less. This is why I use Android and so on. Yes, I understand the outrage behind what these people are saying, but then there has to be more behind the decision that was taken. And I'm pretty sure the second category of people really understand this. Now, the second category of people, which I mentioned earlier, are those who are like, man, it's not really that bad. Most people who are going to get an iPhone 12 or one of the phones in that series already probably own an iPhone already, so they could just use the chargers they currently have. Looking at it from another angle, MKBHD said that a representative from Anker, which is a company usually focused in power banks and chargers, said that the amount of e-waste generated from chargers especially in a year could get up to 300,000 tons. 300,000 tons of electronic waste. Now, I'm not sure if this is why Apple is making this decision, but it does add up. It does make some sense. So there are also a group of people, particularly who probably have 5 to 6 different wireless chargers set up around their house, and maybe they have their favorite 25 watt 45 watt fast charger as well, so they don't really use the charger that comes in the box and they just leave it in the box anyway. So I mean, if you think about it, it does kind of make sense. But then again, on the other hand, some people might be holding off getting a new charger because they want to get the new iPhone and it's going to come with a charger. Like, they think it's going to come with a charger because probably they're just managing their frayed charger that barely works or has to work in a specific position and so on, but they're just waiting for a new phone to get a new charger. And what are they going to do now? Also, there's this group of people who are like, I just like that feeling of completion, you know, knowing that everything you'll need for a smartphone comes in the box, and anything you need to buy outside is like personal choice. Now they feel like their choice is being taken out of their hands. Like, you know, it's not their choice anymore. They're gonna have to go get a charger. If they were Android users and they don't have any lightning cables, someone like myself cannot successfully switch to the iPhone 12 without having to buy a lightning charger by myself separately. Now, personally, I just think Apple is going to keep taking things out of the box until all they're going to ship you is a box and a blueprint for how to assemble the iPhone. Every other part, you're going to have to buy it by yourself. I'm just joking anyway. But if they are taking a look at this from an environmentally friendly point of view, or from the e-waste standpoint, it does make a lot of sense. And Apple does have a history of trying to be environmentally friendly, as they recycle materials for their MacBook series and some other devices as well. So that does make sense. And I feel like if they were to cut the price of the new iPhones a little bit more, people would not really mind the missing chargers. Like, they wouldn't really notice. They'd be focused more on, oh, the new iPhones are actually cheaper and it's good for the environment. So yay, Apple. I mean, you know, they could do that as well. But those are just my thoughts anyway. let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And if you want anything more, if you want to hear any more details about this, make sure to check out MKBHD's video as well, because he talked about this in more detail. So yeah. Regardless of whatever's taken out, you always expect greatness whenever you open the box of an iPhone. Another box you can always expect greatness from whenever you open is that of our channel sponsor today, the Ben shoes. Now, the road to greatness always begins with one step. Why not take that step wearing a pair of the Ben shoes? Link in the description below. So thank you guys a bunch for watching this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Please show me some love by liking, sharing, subscribing, and turning on post notifications if you haven't done that already. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.